Hello and welcome back to the channel. What have I got for you today? I have got the DADA Multi-lock pick, the pin-in-pin pick. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description where you can get it from. If you want to get one at some Keyprint, I don't get anything from it. This is the pick, and as I said, I'll put a link in the description. So if you want to go and check it out yourselves. Right, here's a cylinder I have in the vise already. Okay, cog cylinder. That's the pin and pin, so I'll get that pick in. There you go, have a look at the tip, just so you can see. It's got a funny little, see, like a bit on the end of the flag, the pin and pin. So we'll stick it in the lock, put on the tension bar. Right, let's see if we can get this bad boy picked open. So we'll click on 5, 4 will click, 3 nothing, 2 is very high, so I'm going to top of it. You've got to click on 2, 1, nothing, 2, that's 3, 4, 5, got to click, 4, nothing, 3, I can feel something on that counter, yeah, there you go, bit of counter rotation. There we go, got to click, back to 4, back to 5, then 2, there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've got a big test there. So I think this is the point where it's the inner pins we've got to pick. So I'll just go through, I think, could be wrong. There we go, a bit more of a turn. Big counter rotation there. No, I was wrong, I wasn't. We weren't on the inner pin section yet. So I messed something else, messed something up there, because we're not in that position anymore. So what have I done? Here we go. Right, we've got the big turn now. Now let's try and pick the inner pins. So just real gentle tension. There we go. A bit more of a turn. There we go. Good job. You can see turn cam. It's turning everything. There you go. Okay, job's a good one. I said, nice bit of kit. There's another look at it. That's for the Mul-t-lock 5PIN-R. Anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching.